So 3.2 is law of sines, and it's an equation. So we use it to solve triangles if the measure of two angles and the length of a side are known, or the length of two sides and the measure of an angle opposite one of the sides are known. So this is the law of sines. It's sine of A, an angle, over the corresponding side. So notice on our triangles now, big A is the angle, the side across from that is little a. So this is the angle and this is the side across. Okay, and that's equal to sine of big B, that means an angle, over little b. So the side across from angle B is little b. And then sine of C, C is the angle, and then across from that is little c, that's the side. Okay, so this is three equations, or three terms that equal to each other. When we're actually using the law of sines, we pick the two that we want, because they're all equal anyway. So let's look at this example. We have the measure of angle B, and we know the side across will be little b, and then we're given angle A, and the side across is side little a. So out of these, I'm going to use A and B, and we're going to set just those two equal to each other and plug in what we know. So we know angle A is 48, side A is 20, equals sine of B is what we're trying to find as B, divided by 26. So when it's all set up, we can multiply both sides. I like to just cross multiply to get rid of the fractions. So we'll have 26 times sine of 48 equals 20 times sine of B. I'm running out of room there. And now we want to get B by itself. So first, let's get rid of the 20. We're going to divide both sides by 20. Oops, so I'm just going to move this. Give myself some more room. Okay, so I have 26 times sine of 48 over 20 equals sine of B. Alright, we want to get B by itself, so we need to take the opposite of sine. Remember what that is? Sine inverse. So I'm going to take sine inverse of both sides. Now I just have B. Then over here, I have sine inverse of this whole thing. 26 times sine of 48 divided by 20. This whole thing goes in our calculator. Okay, so remember our sine inverse is under function. And then I have 20 times sine of 48. And I want this whole thing divided by 20. I typed that in wrong. It's 26. It's like, I swear it's a decimal. Okay, so my answer, rounded to the nearest hundredth, would be 75.04. Or rounded to the nearest tenth, which your assignment asks you to do, is just 75. So B equals 75 degrees. So this would be 75 degrees. We could find the third angle because they add to 180. If we wanted to find side C, we would have to do the law of sines again because it's not a right triangle.